Magandang hapon po ng December 9, 2023 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng December 9, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, December 9, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 9, 2023, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 55 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 16.5 million pesos for Saturday, December 9, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for December 9, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.